Is drum and bass pots and pans? Is jungle too much aiming and chopping? Yes, Massive and crew, back once again with another video, and today we're going to talk about drum and bass and jungle. Now, the thing is, I get a lot of questions. People always asking me, what do you think of jungle, right? And what year is your favourite year? That's what I want to know. Like, what do you think of jungle? What year is your favourite year of jungle? And also, what do you think of drum and bass? Yeah, and what is your favourite year in drum and bass? Now, some people say they don't like jungle, they can't follow the rhythm of it, they don't like the chopping of the amen, it's got too much amen in it. Some people say they don't like the drum and bass because it sounds like pots and pans, it sounds too noisy. I want to know your opinions. I want you to comment down below, open forum, comment with respect and love. Yeah, it's all about sharing your views and opinions, and maybe producers out there can look at this live stream and they can see a way that we can sort of make, you know, a middle medium vibe, you know what I mean? So I've always tried to kind of make music for it to appeal to myself first of all, and also to appeal to the masses. So I'd really like to know what you guys think out there. Is drum and bass pots and pans? Is jungle too much aiming and chopping? Is there too much ragga in the beats? Is there too much vocal singing? Do you like stringy? Is liquid too repetitive? All these things are what people say, and I just want to know what you guys think. So comment down below, share this video on your Facebook, share it on your social media, and just let's have an open forum and let's see what's going down. Hopefully I don't get no hate on here. Take care, God bless, peace.